Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the front windshield wiper relays are located. There are two of them. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps me out a lot. So the first thing that we're going to do is come in here and pop our hood. So we're going to come to this fuse box right here. We're going to lift up on these two tabs and lift. And then there is a diagram here that tells you what some of these things are. But it's going to tell you that this is your relay for just on and off for your wipers. And then this is your high-low relay for your wipers in the front. So you've got on, off, and then high and low. So that's about all there is to that. If this video is helpful, smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.